Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, we are going to solve this problem. In this problem, it is given that 5 times tan square x minus cos square x is equal to 2 times cos 2x plus 9. We have to find the value of cos 4x. This question was asked in JEE Mains 2017. So let's start to solve the question. So given data is 5 times tan square x minus cos square x equal to 2 times cos 2x plus 9. Now we will break tan square x as sec square x minus 1 and cos 2x as 2 cos square x minus 1. We will use this 2 identity in this problem. So that will become 5 times sec square x minus 1 minus cos square x equals 2 times 2 cos square x minus 1 plus 9. Now we'll open the bracket by multiplying by 5. So it will become 5 times 6 square x minus 5 minus 5 times cos square x. Same thing we will do in the RHS. We will multiply 2 with this whole bracket part. So it will become 4 times cos square x minus 2 plus 9. Now we will send this minus 5 on RHS and this 5 cos square of x on RHS. So it will become 5 6 square x equals, this 5 will come this side, so it will become plus 5 cos square x, and there it is 4 cos square x, so it will become total 9 cos square x and 9 plus and minus 2, so it will become plus 7 and plus 5, so it will become plus 12. Now we will take the reciprocal formula for sec. It will become 1 upon cos square x is equal to 9 times cos square x plus 12. We will send this cos square x this side in multiplication, so it will become 5 is equal to 9 times cos raised to 4x plus 12 cos square x. Now we will send this 5 to one RHS side. So main equation 9 times cos 4x plus 12 times cos square x minus 5, that would become 0. Now we will substitute the value of cos square x, or we will assume the value of, cos square x as z is equal to cos square x. So the equation will become in the form of quadratic equation. So it will become 9 times z square plus 12z minus 5 is equal to 0. Now we will solve this quadratic equation by using split term middle. Now we will solve this quadratic equation by taking the middle term. So 9 times 5 is minus 45. So break middle part, 12 as 15z minus 3z minus 5 equal to 0. In these two terms, we will take common as 3z. So it will become 3z plus 5 minus 1 common, 3z plus 5 equal to 0. So 3z plus 5 is one factor, and the second factor is 3z minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we are getting the value of z as minus 5 by 3 and z as 1 upon 3. Now 1 minus 5 by 3 is not possible, because here we are getting negative number, because cos was cos square x, z was cos square x, so it will become imaginary number. Square will come this side, so it will become minus root 5 by 3. So we'll take the value of z as 1 upon So z was cos square x. So z is equal to 1 upon 3, or cos square x as 1 upon 3. Now we will find the value of cos 4x. So we will write cos 4x as 2 times cos square 2x minus 1. Again we will break this cos 2x as 2 cos square x minus 1, and this square will come and minus 1. Use the value of cos square x as 1 upon 3 minus 1 whole square minus 1. 2 times 2 minus 3 upon 3 whole square minus 1. So 2 times minus 1 ka square is 1, and 3 square is 9 minus 1. We'll solve again. 2 minus 9 by 9. So final answer will be minus 7 upon 9. So we can check our options. In the options is given that it is the fourth option which is correct. So our answer is fourth option, minus 7 upon 9. So I hope you understood the solution. Thank you.